How to get Beabadoobee frame on TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top right, you're gonna find the magnifying glass icon. Click on that. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Beabadoobee and then search for it. Now navigate to this one, profile, Beabadoobee. As this profile already have Beabadoobee frame. Now press and hold on the profile picture of this. Click on the option Add Frame. Click on the option Celebrate Love Today. You'll be directed to this page. In order to get this frame for your profile, you'll need to complete these. Add song. Spin the wheel for a lucky love song or choose from 5 other special songs to add to a music app. Share this song with the people you love. Create a post with this song and the hashtag Valentine's Day on TikTok. Once it's created and visible to everyone, the mission will be marked as complete. Remind the person who received your song. Once they add it to their music app or favorites and create to post, you both can get more rewards. Once you complete this process, you will get the frame. By following these steps, you are able to get Beabadoobee frame on TikTok. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.